Hello, welcome to Dana's Book Club. I'm Dana and today we're going to read an Elephant and Piggy book. And it is called Pigs Make Me Sneeze by Mo Willems. Pigs make me sneeze. Gerald! What do you want to do today? I want yes? What? A ball, a swim, a hat? Chew! Sniff. Are you okay? I do not know. Chew. I cannot stop chew. Sneezing. Oh no. What if pigs make me sneeze? Chew! What if you try to sneeze more softly? Oh, sorry. But if pigs make me sneeze, then I cannot be near you. Then we cannot be friends. Then we must be apart forever. But Gerald, no, do not speak. It is too late. Chew. Goodbye. But Gerald, Sniff. Are you okay, Gerald? No, I am not okay, Dr. Cat. Pigs make me sneeze, and Piggy is a pig. Piggy is also my best friend. Chew! Great, now cats make me sneeze too. Thud. I do not think pigs make you sneeze. I do not think cats make you sneeze. I think you have a cold. A cold? You are sick. I am sick. Oh, thank you, doctor. Piggy, great news. I have a cold. Good for you. Now Piggy has a cold. And in the back page, we are going to find a pigeon. There he is. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and like this channel. Thanks for visiting Dana's Book Club. Bye!